Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this amazing box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not the entire box. Now, if you missed out on last month's box, I will put a picture up now. That was a gorgeous design. Alrighty, so let's dig in and see what we have. And again, this is jewelry grade cord. I always say this because I don't want you guys to throw it away. You can reuse this to make jewelry. Okay. And let's see. Now this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the projects in this box. It's usually a necklace and a bracelet, but sometimes it'll be like an extravagant necklace with a pair of earrings. I'll throw up a couple pics of projects from the past. So it's pretty epic, and I have to say, I look forward every month to getting this box. I design my own jewelry, but it's very nice to put together a project that somebody else designed. It's just so enjoyable to me. I don't know why. Maybe because I don't have to think too hard. Like the design's already there. I just get to string it and it's like meditative or something. I don't know. I find it so much fun. Okay. Here we have bead string wire in gold. Okay, that's the first thing. And hopefully my camera is not going to fall. Sometimes my camera falls. We have, there's a 5 in here. Ball head pins are short, so it'll probably be for a single bead. We have a extender chain. Antique bronze. I love antique bronze. I love copper too. Antique copper. We have 3 more ball head pins. Oh, what's our beads going to be? We have a lot of jump rings. I wonder if we're going to have a lot of eye pins. Oh, let me just move down. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are big. 10mm jump rings, so these were 6mm. Okay, it looks like it's going to be a project that has lots of connection points. We have crimp beads, and I love the quality of those. I had bought them from the site because I love them so much. We have more jump rings. Oh my gosh, looks like I'm going to be very busy. Gonna have to use all my pliers. Okay, then we have 2 lobster claw clasps, so it's going to be a necklace and bracelet. Yeah, now one time, actually it was more than once. There's been a few times where, like I think it was last Christmas, we had 3, I think it was, different necklaces, or was it 2 necklaces and 2 bracelets? It was amazing. I'll put a picture up of that project. That was crazy awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, these here are called hex beads, I think. It's like a hex nut. And it's in the Lila Vega Luster. I think that's what it's called. It's a purple color. So pretty. I forgot the darn scooper thing again. Oh, those are gorgeous. They're prettier out of the bag. Look at those. I've always got these in metallic. So it's nice to see them in another color. Oops. I really like the O beads. They're thinner though than these. And I also love the Toho Demi beads. They're kind of similar to this. They're really thin, like a ring. They're shaped like rings basically. This is a hex shaped ring. But I think those are really cool beads. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Those are really beautiful. I think I might have got this color before. Maybe I'm thinking of it in a blue. There's little brown specks on it, like rust stains or something. But I want to say I made something. Did I make something? If I did, I'll take Oh, and you know what? It might have been a bracelet. It might have been that seed bead. Weaved project. I've used these beads several times actually, but I was thinking of if I got the same color again. What I did with them if I got the same color. Those are gorgeous. There's a lot here, so oh my gosh, these might go on the pins. I don't know. Man, these are totally worth rebuying. Those are so beautiful. I love those. Alrighty, and I do think they call these a tulip, or there's another name for that. Let's see. Oh, those are beautiful. So I have used these leaves recently in the hairbret tutorial that I did. These were amazing leaves. I'll put a picture up of the hairbret I'm talking about. If you want, you can go and watch that tutorial. The beads I used to make the hairbret were from the Check Beads exclusive box. Those are so pretty. I didn't know they had those on the site. Maybe they are new. I will have to see if I can find them. Okay. And then, oh wow. Those are gorgeous. I'm trying to remember the name of this pink. Desert Rose. Or am I thinking of the plant? It's a silk, pink silk, looks like. See how it kind of looks like fabric, silk fabric? But it has, oh wow, that's purple, like Lila Vega Luster purple on the sides. And this bead is kind of like a cathedral bead because it's usually round, right? See, the top and bottom, and then they facet it just like a cathedral bead gets faceted. They're really gorgeous. Oh, so we're gonna have like a pink and purple design. We have seed beads. I have never seen this color. I've seen this in shiny, but I didn't know it came in matte. That is pretty. So this is opaque purple. There's actually two different opaque purple Check Preciosa seed beads. There's a dark and there's a light purple. I think they call it lavender. The light purple is harder to find, but it comes with AB all over. Yes, and I do have some, but I've never seen it in matte. They are beautiful. Very beautiful. These are 8-0s, by the way. And remember, I am going to link these beads here down there below in the description bar. Sometimes I can't find some of the beads, but I will do my best. Oh, this one's different. So both of these are purple, but they're different shades. I know this is Lila Vega Luster. It's from the chalk color line. I've talked about it before, this chalk line. It's one of my favorites. But this here, they both look like purple, but this one is lighter. And I have super duos. And I have silky beads. I'm trying to remember all the beads I have in this, in my stash, but cut buttons. So this one is really purple, like a gray purple, and this one kind of looks like there's a luster on it. Like it's purple with a bronzy luster. It's very faint. Don't know how well you can see it. Maybe you could see it better in my hand. That is weird. What's going on there? So, did you know there's different qualities of these little triangle trays? I got one free from somewhere, and I love the darn thing. And then I got a pack of these. And I guess they're made to stack, because you see this little ledge here? It's in each corner. See that? The beads get stuck. See the little plastic tabs? The beads get stuck in the corners. And then when I go to pour it out, you just saw it, the bead was stuck there. So it causes me to drop beads. It's weird. Oh my gosh. Those are cute. I've got these before in, I think they were gold. Aztec gold. And clear AB matte. I think I like this color the most though. These are adorable. They're purple on both sides. They are precious. I love those. Oh, there's another one in the bag. So there's 7 of them. Oh, here's the pink and the hex bead. So this is Little Big Lobster. I'm not sure about this one. It's a lighter color. And I can never remember what the pink one's called. It's so pretty. But underneath all of these colors is a white bead. And it seems like it's a permanent finish. I've never had it come off. It's really nice quality. That is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Look, it's happening again. How weird. That's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, and then, oh wow. These are 4mm check fire polish bead. And this is like a new color line we keep getting where the bead is matte. But it's not a regular opaque matte bead. I believe this bead is white underneath, and it has a actual chalky matte color to it that is like the color of chalk. And you think these would be called the chalk, or these would be called chalk and not these, but because these look more chalk to me, right? Chalk is matte. They're really pretty. I like those. Okay, I'm very excited to see what this is going to be like. Oh, they look really good with the drops. Look at that. Okay. Now remember, I'm going to have, I didn't lose anything, did I? I always have to check. No, okay. I'm going to have a picture at the beginning and under the video what all of this looks like put together. Right now, at the time I'm filming this, I have no idea what this project will look like. This is it. I'm going to leave individual links to the materials you see here, down there below in the description bar. Now remember, sometimes I can't find some of these, so if you really love the beads you see here, I recommend that you just get the box so you know that you get everything that is here. And this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me in my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.